This fireball workout is big for the state of North Carolina, so grab a pen, stay with me, and let's break it down. Welcome back everyone, and I hope all of you are doing well and knocking those hits out the park. So after studying how the fireball works in the pick 4 and pick 3 draws, how they're used and what pattern shows in the workout, I knew that this one is a big one for the state of North Carolina, and for today's video I'm going to break it down step by step so you will know exactly how to use it. For today's example, I'll be using North Carolina Previous Fireball Hit 4, which came out on March the 3rd, 2026 to find that day hit. So let's dive in. Now the way that you start setting up this workout is by taking the third digit from the 703 workout and put that digit as the starter digit of the workout. So for me, I'll take the third digit from my 703 workout, which is the number 3, and put that digit for my starter digit of my workout. Here's what that looks like. Once you have your starter digit in place, you will now go up 3 from that digit. After going up 3 from your starter digit, you will take that digit and put it next to it. So for me, I will go up 3 from 3, which gives me the number 6, and put that digit next to my starter digit in the workout. Here's an example. Once you have your starter digit and the number next to it, it's now time to add down each row. When adding down each row, you will stop before you get back to those top digit mirror digits. So for me, I will add down the first row, which gives me the numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, then add down the second row, which gives me the numbers 7, 8, 9, 0, and put those digits under my top digits. Here's what that looks like. Now you want to apply your date sum in the workout. Before applying your date sum in the workout, you need your current date and 2 days back date. Once you have your current date and 2 days back date, you would then add them up separately. Once you have added them separately, you would then take those added numbers and add them together. Once you have added them together, you would then apply that digit and its mirror in the workout. So for me, I will add up my current date, which is March the 3rd, together, which gives me the number 6, then add up my 2 days back date, which is March the 1st, together, which gives me the number 4, and then add up 6 and 4 together, which gives me the number 0, then take the number 0 and its mirror, 5, and circle it in my workout. This is what's working in the state of North Carolina, and this is what that looks like. Now the way that you find your fireball hit is by looking around your date sum digits. When looking around your date sum digits, you look for the ones that are close or touching them. If your recent fireball number is close or touching your date sum digits, then you would put that digit aside. The reason why you put that digit aside is because the way the lottery is working right now for NC, that fireball digit won't come up again for at least a few days. For those who don't know, the fireball digit replaces any one of your digits in your picks. Now the way they made this work is by giving you one official digit that will come in that pick 3 and 4 draw. When picking the fireball digit in the workout, you are only to have 4 digits around your mirror and non-mirror digits. Each day the date sum is in a different place, so if one of your non-mirror or mirror digits is in one of the 4 corners in your workout, you will only have 2 to 3 digits only. Now after you have all your numbers from your fireball setup put aside, you will now set up your 7036 workout. When setting up your 7036 workout, you will circle all your fireball date sum digits in it. Once you have circled your fireball date sum digits in it, You will also circle your current date sum digits in it too. Once you have your current date sum digits circled in the 7036 workout, you will now look around each one of those date sum digits to find your pick 4 hit. So for me, I will circle my Fireball date sum digits in the 7036 workout, which is 0 and 5, and then circle my current date sum digits in the 7036 workout, which is 6 and 1, and look around those digits to find my hit. This is what that looks like. Another thing I noticed that a lot of you might have missed is if you head over to the NC website and look at the patterns they're doing with the Fireball right now, you will see that when you go back 3 days from the current day that you're in, they're actually using its mirror, which from what I see makes it super easy to hit pick 3 and pick 4 in NC right now. And I'm not gonna lie y'all, I don't usually talk about what I win and stuff, but I've been hitting quite a bit lately. Last week from the 24th to the 27th, I hit like every day, so y'all most definitely need to get motivated. On March the 3rd, 2026, the pick 4 number 2907 and the Fireball 4 hit. Here's a side by side so y'all can see how all of what was explained worked together. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. There is more in store where that came from. And South Carolina, your video is up next, so make sure to be on the lookout. Thank you for watching and feel free to comment.